Chrome has quietly become one of the most powerful AI tools you own. Not because of Chrome itself, but because of what you can add to it. In this video, you'll discover 7 AI Chrome extensions that can help you write faster, summarize anything, research in seconds, automate repetitive tasks, and save hours every single week. The best part? Most people have never installed them. Let's begin. Number 7. Merlin AI. Imagine having ChatGPT available on almost every website you visit. That's exactly what Merlin AI does. Instead of opening a new tab every time you need AI, Merlin works directly inside your browser. You can summarize articles, reply to emails, generate social media posts, explain complex content, even interact with PDFs and websites without constantly switching tabs. If you're someone who lives inside Chrome, Merlin quickly becomes difficult to live without. Perfect for students, professionals, researchers, and content creators. Number 6. Cider AI. Cider turns almost any web page into an AI workspace. Highlight text, ask questions, translate content, rewrite paragraphs, summarize YouTube videos, analyze documents. All without leaving the page you're already on. Instead of copying information into ChatGPT, the AI comes to you. It's one of the fastest ways to reduce friction in your daily workflow. Number 5. Perplexity AI Assistant. Search is changing. Instead of opening multiple tabs, Perplexity helps you find direct answers with sources attached. Its Chrome extension lets you quickly research topics, summarize pages, and verify information while browsing. For anyone doing research, writing, or learning something new, it dramatically reduces the time spent jumping between websites. Think of it as an AI-powered research assistant built into your browser. Number 4. Monica AI. Monica combines multiple AI models into a single browser assistant. Need help writing? It's there. Need translation? Done. Need image generation? Also available. Instead of managing several AI tools separately, Monica puts many of them behind one simple interface. It's especially useful for people who work across different types of tasks throughout the day. Number 3. Compose AI. If you spend a lot of time writing emails, filling forms, or replying to messages, Compose AI can save you hours. It predicts entire sentences as you type, completes emails intelligently, rewrites awkward paragraphs, and helps you write significantly faster without sacrificing quality. It's one of those extensions you don't fully appreciate until you try working without it. Less typing, more thinking. Number 2. Glasp AI. Imagine highlighting important ideas across the web and having AI organize, summarize, and help you revisit them later. That's Glasp. It's perfect for people who read a lot online. Students, researchers, founders, content creators. Instead of losing valuable insights across dozens of tabs, Glasp helps you build your own searchable knowledge library. Over time, it becomes one of the smartest ways to remember what you learn. Number 1. HARPA AI. If there's one extension on this list that feels like having a personal AI assistant, it's HARPA AI. It can summarize web pages, monitor websites for changes, extract information, generate content, automate repetitive browser tasks, work alongside ChatGPT and other AI models, and even create custom automation workflows without writing code. For power users, HARPA AI isn't just another extension. It's a productivity system hiding inside your browser. If you only install one extension from this list, make it HARPA AI. Honorable mention. LanguageTool. LanguageTool isn't an AI chatbot, but it's one of the smartest writing assistants available. It checks grammar, improves clarity, suggests better wording, supports multiple languages, and works almost everywhere you write online. If your work involves communication, this extension quietly improves almost everything you type. The difference between someone who uses AI occasionally and someone who gets incredible results from AI often comes down to workflow. The less time you spend switching between tabs, copying text, and repeating simple tasks, the more time you have to focus on meaningful work. Try one or two of these extensions this week. You don't need to install all of them. Find the ones that fit your workflow and let AI work alongside you instead of slowing you down. If you enjoy practical AI tools, automation tips, and technology insights that help you work smarter, consider subscribing to WebOracle. That's exactly what we're building here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.